All right, what's up guys? Miguel here. Quick video. This video is on this Evan Fischer splash shield for the E85 Z4. It says carparts.com, but I got it in on Amazon for 50 bucks. It says 34 bucks on at carparts.com, but on Amazon it's 50 bucks with free shipping. Carparts.com is like $52 or something like that. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I have gift cards. So I try to buy everything on Amazon. I will post an Amazon link on the description. This is my second one for this one, because this particular Z4 had a fantastic oil leak that ruined the other one. And rather than cleaning the other one because of the nastiness of it, 50 bucks, I just decided to buy another one. So if you're looking for a nice one, Evan Fischer, Amazon, 50 bucks.